Something that looks like the phoenix, the bird of fire. You see that? I'm telling you, it looks like a bird. If you slowed this down even further, I don't have editing equipment, but have a look here again. I'm playing this 3 times round. It looks like a bird flying up. Anyway, it was an incredible lightning storm, and if you hear all the old stories and you see the paintings, I'm telling you guys, there's something going on in nature. But this does look like a bird flying up.